Inhidrica, Hydrica Innovation. Innovative solutions for the region's water challenges. We are comprehensive providers of engineering, procurement and construction of water treatment plants for reuse and desalination, with presence in Central America and the Caribbean with more than 15 years of experience in the industry, implementing and/or developing projects throughout the region. We take care of the installation, operation and maintenance of desalination plants and water reuse. We provide membrane systems for applications: municipal, industrial and residential. We provide technical advice for analysis to optimize CAPEX and OPEX. Success story: Madresal Desalination System, El Salvador construction and supply of desalination system equipment for Isla Madresal in the municipality of Puerto El Triunfo, El Salvador. The project was financed by the Cooperation Fund for Water and Sanitation, provided by the Spanish International Cooperation Agency, becoming one of the first water supply projects by desalination in El Salvador and Central America. The project consists of the startup of a desalination plant to provide drinking water to the isolated community of Isla Madresal. Because it is an island, there was no access to drinking water, since the existing well, which previously gave fresh water, in recent years the water is brackish. The project benefits more than 150 families or 600 people in the community.